It's finally here. Hello, I am Dana and I'm going to be reviewing the Hot Tools One Step Pro Blowout Styler. I believe that's what it's called. I'm actually very excited about trying this out today. Now I know there's the Revlon One Step Styler and several other models. I heard about this product for a long time, for years. They've been around for a while, but I really never thought it would work for my hair. However, I've been watching reviews and a lot of people swear by it, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Now, normally when my hair is blow dried, it does come out straight along the ends, but it's not like a really nice blowout, and the roots aren't really, I don't really get the roots that good. So let's see if this is going to give me that gorgeous blowout look. Honestly, I'm a bit skeptical, but hopeful. Let's see. I'm using Alonda's combing cream. It's a defrizzer, detangler, it helps smooth your hair out, and it's also a heat protector, and it also helps to make your hair dry faster. It's a little bit hard to find because I think they may have replaced it with some other products like a defrizz cream, but I'll put a link to what I'm able to find below. The reason I chose the Hot Tools over, say, the Revlon or another brand is because I saw a few reviews of people comparing them, and they liked the Hot Tools better because they said it actually smoothed the hair and made it straighter. So I went with Hot Tools. So it's smoking, so it definitely gets really hot. So far, it's kind of just blow drying it. It's still early, so we'll see. One thing I find is that it is a big tool and it's a bit bulky and it can be a little tiring for your wrist and your hands, but I find that it is absolutely easier than using, say, a round brush and a blow dryer separately. Now, I do see that they are making a smaller version, so I would be kind of curious to see how that works. I did find it a little bit difficult switching between the cool, low, and high settings, but not a big deal. Side one, the roots are still a little bit wavy, but it looks pretty shiny and pretty straight. Let's continue on to the next side. Okay, I am done. And here is the finished product. I gotta tell you, I'm quite impressed. This definitely made my hair a lot smoother than when I normally blow dry it. Now, I don't know how long it'll last, but it's definitely smoother and straighter and shinier. The roots are better. Now, I know I didn't do a perfect job because I'm not very good at doing my own hair. That's why I get it done. But I feel like this is kind of good enough for one step to just kind of wear around a little bit. I'm not happy with the ends. My ends do look a bit dry. I didn't put anything in it. Normally when I'm done doing my hair, I do put some moisturizer, but I just wanted to see like overall what it looks like just when I'm finished blow drying compared to my other dryer. And yeah, this definitely does a much better job, and I'm definitely happy with the results. It was very fast. Let's see, how long did it take? About 30 minutes, but this was my first time using it, so I'm sure I would get faster. But again, I'm very impressed. I wish I would have tried this a long time ago. Now, to improve the ends and the roots, I think I could always just kind of touch it up with maybe the cheese spin and curl or some type of automatic curler, and I think the roots would look good, or touch up with my LittleBlack hairbrush to kind of smooth it out a little bit more. Something that would be pretty quick, but overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I'm very impressed. Let me know what you think. What are your thoughts? Do you have any suggestions? Do you like it? Do you see the difference? Or am I just making it up? Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.